The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro is a pool vacuum robot that makes cleaning effortless and efficient, truly worth every penny. If you are curious about the latest price of this pool vacuum, you can check it out from the description below. Designed for pools up to 3,875 square feet, this innovative robot combines 5 cleaning functions into one device, tackling floors, walls, waterline, and even clarifying water with a natural, skin-safe clarifying agent. It's perfect for homeowners who want sparkling clean water without hours of scrubbing. One of the standout features is its app-controlled navigation. With your phone, you can direct the robot to any spot in the pool, easily picking up stubborn floating debris. It even deposits waste at the edge for effortless collection. No more getting your hands wet or guessing where the robot went. The AquaSense 2 Pro also speeds up water clarification, using recycled crab shell agents that clean up to 99,000 gallons 4 times faster than traditional methods, leaving the water crystal clear and free from dirt, oils, and residue. The smart parking and drainage system makes handling this robot a breeze. When cleaning is complete or the battery is low, it automatically returns to the pool edge and parks above water. The SmartDrain system releases water for a lighter, hassle-free lift. Speaking of battery, it can clean the surface for up to 11 hours or handle floors and walls for 5 hours, enough for large pools without interruption. Built to last, it features automotive-grade UV-resistant coating, backed by over 200 tests and 15 certifications, plus a 3-year full replacement warranty. Advanced CleverNav technology, powered by a 4-core CPU and 22 sensors, ensures optimized cleaning paths and thorough coverage in S/N patterns. Whether you have a small residential pool or a larger backyard oasis, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro makes maintenance easier, faster, and more reliable. Check the description below for the latest price.